because that is a victory and a half. I fixed a whole bunch of stuff. Got the starter generator in, got that wiring fixed, it charges, the lights work. I got the air cleaner on, I got a battery in it, I got a new ignition switch in it. I don't know, I think that's where I'm gonna have to stop it for tonight. Like I said, it's getting late and I don't want to start getting frustrated. There are a few more things I could do tonight, but I think I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead, so. Yeah, this thing's a little cold-blooded. Look at that. Charging! That is fantastic. Another one, almost done. Ooh, does the taillight work, though? Yeah! Even the taillight works. Now, I'll call him Winky for now. Let that exhaust get hot and burn that paint in. Oh man, this thing runs really good. Really good. And I'm happy. Taillight even works. That's amazing. Some days, you know, you have a long day and just spending a couple hours tinkering on something makes all the difference in the world to make the end of your day great. That makes me so happy. Spray paint, and boy does it smell bad. This thing just runs so good. Let's see, does the ignition shut it off too? Oh, beautiful. Good, now I know another part number that I can get for these Suburban ignitions that works. Yeah, that paint's gonna burn off that muffler, and boy does that stink. That is Rust-Oleum aluminum metallic paint, and there's so much metallic in it, it's really bad to breathe, and it stinks even more because it's burning. So now that the muffler's nice and warm, and it was smoking a little bit, I'm going to shut it off and let it cool down and cure, so hopefully it won't all burn off. But anyway, there's another little adventure with the new 67 Super 12. I don't know what I'm going to call this one yet. Haven't decided. I got to, again, get some Pontiac Blue engine paint and touch up the grill and touch up the mule drive flap, and I think this is really, really going to be a nice machine. It runs so good. And it's the big oil pan engine, so it's probably going to last. I got a PTO cover for the side of it. I got wheel weights. I got 3-point hitch. I got plans. James at Cranky Motorsports, out.